raining.
Flamingo.
In the Flamingo Hotel? When?
One of them. When that whole shit went down in October, remember?
Oh, wow. We've stood at the Flamingo Hotel before. Alright, come on.
Get some water.
Dude, guys, we bought 4 drinks like this, and it was $27. Now I'm just gonna document how much everything is, and we'll really test how much you're really gonna spend in Vegas. Let's do that. We spent $100 last night, so there's that. There's that for you. I want In-N-Out. Look I want to go up there.
We should. They have drinks in those things.
It's a high roller. That's where the Jersey Shore people went. It was so awesome.
Those are still here?
No, I think they left. We should go to Pauly D's nightclub. Oh my god, yes. Dude, I'm freezing. I should have brought my jacket. Okay guys, do you guys see that real quick? That's In-N-Out. Hold on, it's not focusing. In-N-Out. About to eat In-N-Out. Look at Harley Davidson. Is In-N-Out closed? No, they're open. I want In-N-Out, babe. Oh, I want a burger. Come on. That's where Tyler threw up last time. Remember?
I really don't want to have. Look, it's closed. We can't get it.
You're so lame. I just wanted In-N-Out.
They're not open yet.
Just hanging out right here. Well guys, I'm finally not hungover, so now I could vlog. And it's, what time is it, babe?
Almost 4, it's 3:30. 3:20.
It's 3:20. And I finally feel better, and the day's about to be over soon. Well, not in Vegas. They never sleep in Vegas.
Yeah. Well, she told me he was going to trade his Avalanche in for black on black Tahoe.
Say hi guys, you're going to be on YouTube. He's going to use this as a thumbnail.
Oh man, I actually like that trade. That's a badass ride, dude. God damn, my chest hurts.
This huge traveling. It's so pretty. Caesar's Palace, guys. That's so cool that these are chairs. He called again.
I think it's better.
Where are you guys at now?
Girl, bitch!
Tyler! No, they're telling you no.
Swim! Swim!
Don't do it, don't do it. No, look at, he's already getting ready. He's like, yep, I'm ready. Yes. Got some In-N-Out. And we're just relaxing in the hotel room. Guys, it has been a long night. It's, what time is it?
It's like 9.
It's 11:44.
No way.
I'm dead serious. Oh my god.
Damn, really? Not.
They're not kidding about the city never sleeps because it feels like the party just started. Alright guys, well, that is the end of today's vlog. Sorry I didn't vlog much. I've been feeling sick all day. But tomorrow is the last day here and then we're gonna go back home around midnight.
I was like, this shit looks like a napkin. It's red.
So yeah, we're just gonna eat our In-N-Out and cuddle. I love you.